If you open your kitchen cabinet right now, grab a handful of walnuts and eat them straight out of the bag. You're unknowingly triggering a digestive defense mechanism that completely locks down their blood flow benefits. Clinical urology and vascular data show that while this specific nut contains the ultimate building blocks for male performance, eating them raw and dry forces your gut to reject the very minerals needed to clear out arterial stiffness. So what is the exact kitchen preparation mistake that is actively turning their healthy fats rancid before they ever reach your plate? And how precisely do you need to prepare them tonight to unlock a pure nitric oxide multiplier by tomorrow morning? This is where the unique magic of walnuts comes in. They are completely different from any other nut you will find because they contain 3 massive benefits that work together to restore your physical vitality. First, walnuts are packed with a natural amino acid called L-arginine. Think of this as the raw fuel your body uses to create nitric oxide. This is the exact signaling gas that tells your blood vessels to relax, open up wide, and let blood pump freely through your entire body. Second, walnuts are loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, which is a powerful plant-based omega-3 healthy fat. Clinical tests show that this specific fat works like a protective shield for the inner walls of your arteries, keeping them soft, stretchy, and highly flexible so blood can move without hitting any roadblocks. Third, walnuts are dense with zinc, a critical mineral your body uses to keep your natural energy, strength, and masculine drive at their peak. When you put these 3 together, you get an all-natural stamina boost that targets your circulation from every angle. To eliminate natural digestive inhibitors and unlock the maximum amount of active L-arginine and zinc, you must use a simple water sprouting protocol. Take a small handful, about 7 to 8 whole, raw, shelled walnut halves. Place them into a clean glass jar and submerge them completely in filtered water. Let the walnuts soak on your counter for exactly 8 to 12 hours, preferably overnight. This soaking process performs a critical chemical shift. It neutralizes the plant's phytic acid and tannins, which are natural anti-nutrients that bind to minerals in your gut and block your body from absorbing the zinc and magnesium. Sprouting essentially awakens the nut, making the protein, L-arginine, and healthy fats completely bioavailable for rapid absorption by your gut lining. After soaking, rinse the walnuts thoroughly. To maximize the nitric oxide output, pair these sprouted walnuts with 1 small square of raw 85% dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavanols, which act as a powerful catalyst that upregulates the conversion of the walnut's L-arginine into pure nitric oxide, doubling the vascular opening effect. The absolute best time for men over 40 to consume this sprouted walnut and dark chocolate combination is roughly 2 hours before bed or 2 hours before an intense physical session. Consuming these healthy fats and amino acids in the evening gives your body the exact raw materials it requires during its natural nighttime recovery cycle, supporting both vascular health and nocturnal hormonal synthesis. Eat them on a relatively clear stomach to avoid digestive competition with heavy, refined carbohydrates or sugars, which can trigger insulin spikes that impair nitric oxide production. Within the first 2 weeks of adding this raw, sprouted protocol to your routine, you will notice a definitive change. Cleaner morning energy, a major reduction in daily physical fatigue, and a noticeable upgrade in overall vascular performance. However, if you are buying roasted, salted walnuts or letting your nuts sit in an open bowl on your kitchen counter, you are completely destroying these benefits and making 2 massive mistakes. The first fatal mistake is exposing walnuts to high heat. The highly beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E compounds inside walnuts are extremely heat sensitive. Clinical testing reveals that roasting walnuts at high temperatures causes a dramatic drop in antioxidant capacity and multiplies markers of lipid oxidation, meaning the healthy fats turn rancid, creating inflammatory molecules that stress your cardiovascular system rather than helping it. The second mistake is improper storage. Because walnuts are so rich in polyunsaturated fats, the moment they are shelled and exposed to oxygen and light, they begin to oxidize and go stale. If your walnuts have a bitter, harsh chemical smell, the active vascular medicine has already degraded. To secure the real performance benefits, you must consume walnuts raw and keep them sealed tightly in a dark, cold environment. But mastering your daily vascular health with raw kitchen protocols is only one step when it comes to keeping your blood vessels wide, flexible, and fully functioning. If you want to stay updated on our clinical breakdowns and build a bulletproof health routine, hit that subscribe button right now and like the video. I want to hear from you down in the comments. Drop your age below and let me know if you have ever tried sprouting raw walnuts like this before, or if you're going to try preparing it with this water-soaking method tonight. Let me know your results down below.